Welcome to English and English, where you learn English through simple, meaningful stories.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English and English.
Hi, Cindy. Hi, everyone.
How is everyone doing today? I hope you're feeling great.
I'm good. I was thinking this morning about how busy some people's days can be. It really makes me appreciate time more.
Oh, absolutely. And that's perfect, because today's topic is all about a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. We'll explore her routine, her challenges, and the little joys that make her day meaningful.
That sounds really interesting. I feel like people don't always realize how much work goes into managing a home and a family.
Exactly. So let's learn from her story.
Hello, everyone. My name is Diana. Today, I want to share what a typical day looks like for me as a stay-at-home mom. Many people think it might be simple or boring, but actually, it's full of responsibilities, movement, and meaningful moments. My day begins early, around 5:45 a.m. The house is quiet, and I use that moment to breathe, stretch, and prepare myself mentally for the day. I open the curtains, make the beds, and then gently wake the kids. By 6:30 a.m., I'm in the kitchen preparing breakfast, sometimes toast and eggs, sometimes pancakes, depending on how much time I have. At the same time, I check backpacks, pack lunches, and remind the kids about anything important for school. By 7:15 a.m., my husband and I work together to get the children out the door. Some mornings he drops the kids off at school, and other mornings I do it. It depends on his work schedule, but we try to share the responsibility to make mornings smoother. Once everyone leaves, I start the housework. Laundry, organizing bedrooms, vacuuming, wiping down surfaces, and sometimes planning meals for the week. If we need groceries, I make a list and run to the store. Around 10:30 a.m., I take a short break, maybe a cup of tea, a quick workout, or reading a few pages of a book. These small moments help me recharge before the busy afternoon begins. At 11:30 a.m., I prepare lunch and clean up afterwards. Then, depending on the day, I run errands or take care of tasks like picking up packages, organizing kids' schedules, or paying bills. At 3 p.m., the pace picks up again. I pick the kids up from school if my husband can't. Once they're home, I give them snacks and help them settle in. Then I drive them to activities. One of their favorites is swimming lessons. I wait for them, cheer them on, and talk to their coaches about their progress. By early evening, we're all back home. This is when my husband returns from work, and he immediately takes part in the routine. He starts helping the kids with their homework, reviewing assignments, answering questions, or practicing reading with them. It's a special bonding time for them. Meanwhile, I prepare dinner or finish whatever tasks are left. We eat together as a family, talk about our day, laugh, and share stories. After dinner, we clean up, relax a little, and sometimes watch a short show. Before bed, I prepare for the next morning, laying out clothes, checking backpacks, finishing laundry, and writing down tomorrow's to-do list. By the time I sit down at night, it's usually around 9:30 p.m. It's been a long day, but it's filled with love, work, and small moments that matter. Being a stay-at-home mom isn't easy, but it's meaningful, and I'm grateful for every part of it.
All right, everyone, before we finish, let's have a quick mini lesson. Here are some useful words and phrases from today's story. Try to practice them at home. Stay-at-home mom means a mother who works inside the home to take care of the family and manage the household. Full-time responsibility means something that requires attention all day, not just a little bit of time. No sick leave means when you can't take a day off, even when you're not feeling well. Household chores means daily tasks like cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, and organizing the home. Balance many tasks means to manage many different activities at the same time. Invisible work means work that people don't always see or appreciate, but is very important.
Try using these words to talk about your own day. For example, I balance many tasks every morning. Or, cooking is one of my daily household chores. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing.
So, Zach, now you can see that a stay-at-home mom's job is not simple at all. It's a full-time responsibility with no sick leave, no paid holidays, and no time off.
Yes, and they balance so many tasks. Cooking, cleaning, childcare, planning, teaching, it's a lot.
Exactly. Their work is invisible sometimes, but incredibly important.
We should all appreciate them more.
And that's our lesson for today.
Thanks for joining us.
If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English story.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.